Hello guys, so in this video I will be unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. In case you are looking for a camera in 2025 to shoot your sports, vlogging, travel contents, your skits, your interview, or all kinds of contents that you want to create on YouTube, then I'm going to give an honest review about this particular camera. This video is actually for you. So welcome to 4X Entertainment, your go-to channel where we talk about technology, AI tools, we talk about software reviews, we talk about device reviews like this, cryptocurrencies. Even if you are looking forward to make money online, then this is your channel. My name is Chris Metal and I did for you. If this is your first time you are watching me, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about this video and trust me, I'm going to do what you like. Okay, let's get started with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, the adventure combo. You know, it's got different kinds of combo, and today we are unboxing the adventure combo. So like I said, if you love vlogging, biking, hiking, swimming, or just making awesome videos, this camera is for you. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so let's see what we get in the box. We've got some USB Type-C cable, which is used for the charging and transferring of videos from your PC or to any computer or desktop that you've got. So we've got some mounts for helmets, bikes, whatever you want. Very cool. You know, you can use it on your motorbike or on your bicycle if you like that kind of hiking. So this is the battery case, and you can actually fix in 3 extreme batteries into it, and you can charge it with the Type-C cable as well. So each battery actually gives you about 4 hours of recording. That's 12 hours in total. No more battery stress, you understand? So you can shoot all day. So as usual, every device has got the user manual and a quick start guide. This one is going to help you get set up fast, even if you've never used a DJI camera before. Yeah, and these are stickers. Yep. You know, DJI always throws in a couple of cool stickers for fun. It's normal. This is the 1.5 meter extension rod, basically a fancy selfie stick. This one is actually great for vlogging and wide shots. It feels very good in the hands and it's not that heavy. And one cool bonus, there's a thread at the bottom, so you can attach another rod or tripod to make it even longer. So this is also a camera protector case for the camera. And this actually gives extra protection around the camera body when you are even out doing something very crazy, you understand? And it keeps it safe from scratches and bumps. Now, this is the main hero right here. It's small, super tough, and made for action. You know, the body is solid metal with that kind of premium feel. It's built with a tank, but it's still super light. It's waterproof even up to 20 meters without a case, shockproof, dustproof, and it doesn't even blink in cold or hot weather. You've got some 2 touch screens, one in front for selfies and vlogs, and one on the back for full control. You know, it shoots incredible 4K videos at 120 frames per second. So you can do a smooth slow motion and takes 40 megapixels photos with crazy details. Plus, it has DJI's best stabilization tech, so your footage stays smooth even if you are jumping or biking. There's 47 gig of built-in storage, which is awesome in case you even forget your SD card. And it also got a mic system that captures crisp audio even in wind or water. I guess this superhero sounds very interesting. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's get it ready to roll. Now, first, let's pop in the battery. There's a little door on the side. Just push the latch, open it up, and slide the battery in it right into place. It's so super simple. Next, the memory card slot is right next to it. This camera takes micro SD cards, so grab a fast one, just like we have the U3, the V30 for 4K videos. Yes. Because you can't just use any micro SD card for 4K videos. You have to get a U3 or V30 for 4K videos. So now turning it on the first time, Now press and hold the power button on the side. The screen lights up and boom, you are in. So you will see a quick setup screen. Choose your language, time zone, and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, it shows you a quick tutorial on the screen. It's actually helpful. It shows you how to swipe, change modes, and adjust settings. So the touch screen is super smooth. And you can switch between photo, video, slow-mo, time-lapse. You can do a whole lot. It can even do object tracking and all that. So I guess right now you are wondering, how can I connect this hero even into my phone? Okay, this is what you have to do. If you want to control the camera from your phone, no problem. Download the DJI Memo app from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the camera. So it will prompt you during setup. Open the app and it will automatically find your camera, pair it, and boom, now your phone is a remote control and live preview screen. So you can use it for your live stream like TikTok or even YouTube live streams. So now you are still thinking of, how do I even connect an external microphone? This is the good news. Yes, the Action 5 Pro supports external microphones. It has a USB-C port and you can connect a mic using the USB Type-C, which is around 3.5 millimeters adapter. Even though it's not included, but it's very easy to find and very cheap, like $2, $3. You can even get some online. Or you can go wireless. And it works great with the DJI mic or other Bluetooth mics. Once connected, it automatically detects the mic and switches over. No crazy settings needed. So yeah, setup is super easy. Battery in, card in, turn it on, pair your phone, and you are ready to film like a pro. So it's a wrap for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, the Adventures combo. Now, in case you are thinking of vlogging, biking, swimming, shooting skates, traveling, swimming, everything, this camera has got everything you need for amazing shots. So here's what I like about this camera. The photo and the video quality, the 4K and the 120 frames per second. Also, the waterproof. And also, it's got some super stable, it's like an inbuilt gimbal. Yes, and also a very long battery lifespan. A couple of things you have to also take notice. It's not a cheap camera. Also, you can also change the lens, like any Canon camera that you can just change the lens and put it on another lens. Also, the app on the phone can be sometimes slow. So are you ready to capture your next adventure? Let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.